Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at the divisibility test for 6 and 7. We know divisibility test for 2 requires the number to be even number, and the divisibility test for 3 requires that the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. If we observe that any number which is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, here and is very important. So the number has to be divisible by both 2 and 3, and then the number is divisible by 6. Let's take an example. Let's take a number 14. 14, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Sum of digits is 4 plus 1, 5. So it is not divisible by 3. It is only divisible by 2 and not by 3. In that case, it should not be divisible by 6. And if we try, 6 2s are 12 and we get 2 remainder. So 14 is not divisible by 6. And so we see our logic holds true, at least for this number. Let's take another number. Now this time let's take 21. Is it divisible by 2? No, because it is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Sum of digits is 2 plus 1, 3. Hence, yes, it is divisible by 3. Let's look if it is divisible by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 3 is a remainder. So it is not divisible by 6. Now, if you see here, in first case, we had a number which was divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, and it was not divisible by 6. In second case, we had a number which was not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. But again, we found that it is not divisible by 6. Now let's take a number 24. It's even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Sum of digits divisible by 3, hence it is divisible by 3. Now let's look at it. 6 4s are 24, remainder is 0, and hence it is divisible by 6. Our divisibility test for 6. So divisibility test for 6 is the number must be divisible by 2 and 3. It's very important, it is and here, so it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's now look at divisibility of 7. There are multiple methods for divisibility of 7. I will use two methods which are relatively easy. So if we take a number, let's take 154. In the first method, we start from the right side digit. So last digit on the right hand side, which is 4. We double it. So 4 2s are 8. And we subtract that from the remaining digits. So what are the remaining digits? Remaining digits form a number 15. So from 15 we subtract 8. How much we get? We get 7. And is 7 divisible by 7? Of course, yes. And hence 154 is divisible by 7. Let's take one more number. Let's take 1554. Now in this case, what is the last digit? Last digit is 4. Double of 4 is 8. And other than 4, what is the number left? 155. So 155 minus 8. And that gives me 147. Now still it is a 3-digit number. So we'll go on. We'll take the last digit 7. What is the double of 7? It is 14. And the remaining number is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. And we know 0 is divisible by all the numbers. So it is divisible by 7. And hence 1554 is divisible by 7. So what is the method? The method is step 1, remove the last digit. In 154, remove the last digit. So if I remove last digit 4, then the remaining number is 15. So I get two numbers, 15 and 4. So step 2 is subtract double of this number. So what is double of 4? It is 8. Subtract it from 15, which is the number formed from the remaining digits. We subtract it, we get 7. If the result which we get is divisible by 7, then the original number also is divisible by 7. Now in case we don't get a small enough number, then we need to repeat these steps. So we need to repeat these steps if required, if we have a big number. Let's see another method. Let's take the same numbers. In this case, we will start from the left hand side. Now we'll take the first digit, which is 1, multiply it with 3. So what we get, 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. Now add this 3 into the next digit. So only in this 5. We add 3 into 5. So what we get? 8. 84. We get a number 84. Now again we will take this number 8, multiply it with 3. So 8 3s are 24. And now 24 will add in 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28. Is 28 divisible by 7? Yes, 28 is divisible by 7 because 7 4s are 28. Then 154 is divisible by 7. We'll take one more example which we took. Okay, so first we'll take the one number here. Okay, multiplied by 3, we get 3. We add this 3 into 5, so we get the new number as 854. Now we multiply 8 by 3. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. And we add 24 into 5. So it gets 29 and this 4. So we get a new number 294. Now again 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. We add 6 into 9. We get 15. 154. Now we take 1. 1 into 3 is 3. We add 3 into this 5. So it becomes 84. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 is divisible by 7. Hence, this number is divisible by 7. The divisibility methods for 7 look a little complex, but more you use, they become so easy that you can find the divisibility of 7 without any difficulty. We have covered all the divisibility tests, but I'm going to talk about one more test for 8. So let's find if 224 is divisible by 8. The divisibility test of 8 tells that we have to look at the last 3 digits, and if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. But we have to divide these last 3 digits, and it is a little difficult. Now I'm going to tell you, look at the last 2 digits, 24. Divide it by 4. How much you get? 4 6 are 24. It is divisible by 4, and 4 6 are 24. Now 6, is it an even number? Yes. And then look at the third digit. Is it even? Yes. Both even. Then this number is divisible by 8. We are not dividing by 8. We are dividing the last 2 digits by 4. We check the quotient with the third digit. If both are same type, both are even or both are odd, then it is divisible by 8. For example, if I have number, let's say 1324, 1324. I'll take last 2 digits, 24. I'll divide it by 4. What I get is 4 6 are 24. This is an even number. I go to the third digit from right hand side, third digit, it's an odd number. This is odd, this is even, then this is not divisible by 8. But if we had 1424, in this case, by dividing 24 by 4, we get 6, which is even number. The third digit is even, then this is divisible by 8. Isn't it easy? Easier than the earlier one? Yes. So we can use this method. Factors and multiples is a very interesting topic. Do watch our other videos on this topic to get complete understanding of this topic. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload a new video.